Hi guys, hi, hello, namaskara. This is Sachin Pinto as Super Sachin. Today I am preparing egg omelette with bread, which is very easy and very interesting, and it fills very fast, and it's very easy recipe also. Let's start from my kitchen.
Egg omelette with bread will have all these ingredients. Let's start with salt here, then pepper, then 2 slices of bread, then coriander, tomato, seed, I have de-seeded it, and onions, and 3 eggs, little bit of oil, and very importantly garlic and oregano fat spread. Let's roast the bread so that it will have that crispiness in it. Now we need to blend it. I have put 3 eggs here and half tablespoon of pepper, then salt, because I am putting little more salt as I am adding onions, tomatoes and coriander. I have added 1 tomato, one and a half tomato, and onion also 1 small onion. Then comes coriander, which I had sliced and kept. Now it looks something like this. Now let's blend it. We need to blend it. Time for us to put that now it looks something like this. It looks very healthy, and now initially we had fried 2 slices of bread. Now time for us to put it in this omelette. And time for us to add the fat spread across. The fat spread is getting melted and it is looking something like this. We need to see whether the egg is done. Okay, looks like it is done. Now it's done. Now what I'll do is I'll serve it in a plate. The plate is all set.
Finally, we are done with egg omelette with bread. You can see little collateral damage there while shifting from the pan to the plate. Let's have it and see how is it. Finally, time to have egg omelette with bread. Very yummy it looks. You should try once. Actually, try and see how it looks. Really amazing. You should try. Very simple. It will be done in maximum 10 to 12 minutes. Please do try and comment down how it tastes. Thank you.